So there's a couple ways to solve this problem. My car did not originally have a pass-through, but what I learned is that you can pull away this panel and cut the carpeting, and it's there. It's already in the seat. They just, for whatever reason, didn't implement it in the car. So I can supposedly reach back in here and find the emergency trunk release if I can actually reach it. Otherwise, the manual says you can pull your seat down, which my seats do not fold down, so that's awesome. If this doesn't work, my only other option is to try to temporarily power the car through like a battery charger and see if I can get the trunk to release that way. So this is fun, you know? It's a good time. So it's a mess in here. I don't know if you can see way in the back there. That's my trunk release. Okay, we're gonna try this. There's a ground here. This is ground, and there's a positive terminal there, so I'm gonna try to jump it from here. Nope. God damn it. Try it from inside the car. Hey, that worked. The battery is stored here in the trunk. Not that easy to get to. It's one thing that's a little weird about this car. You also have to take off the front wheel and the wheel liner to replace a bulb in the headlight. God damn it. Fucking stupid. So to remove the battery, you take off this trim piece, which is 2 of these T40 Torx bolts. So these bolts that we're holding this on are actually T45, not T40. When you pull this trim piece away, there's plastic, these things that are annoying, and they hold it in place. I hope I can remove this now. This is quite a contraption they've got on here. Oh wow, yeah, there's gonna be like, how the hell does that come off? Okay, this whole thing is wild. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Looks like they've got some, I don't know if those are fuses or fusible links or breakers. This disconnects there, and then you can just pull the whole thing off. So now I'm ready to remove the battery, finally. This has been ridiculous. And I get this crap out of the way. Just let me do it. Oh. Son of a bitch. Bullshit, stupid. Battery vent. You gotta keep it out of the way, otherwise you'll just squash it with the battery. Okay, the vent is here on this end. It's supposed to go there, but you know, good luck getting it in. I'm gonna fiddle with that. The struggle continues. Okay, positive is on. Now to connect ground and see what happens. So this little tab that's bent over on this bracket is in the way, so I'm just gonna bend it aside. Use the old vise, I think. Let's try that.